Konnichiwa! Join us for another Japanese Cravings. Miyasaki Gyo is a collaboration restaurant with Kabuki Food Sakaba. That's the one naman we visited in Makati Cinema Square. They are located here in 1 McKinley Place, 26th Street, Taguig City. Pagpasok mo pa lang, feel mo na kaagad ang Japanese vibes. Dito talaga ako gandang-ganda sa exterior at interior nila. See and feel a relaxing view. Instagrammable. Every detail, I just really love the ambience here. May pagka-homey din ang dating. And yes, we are excited. Here's the food that we ordered. Daddy's first try. At nagustuhan niya. And what we really enjoyed here, ang generous ng servings nila. Favorite ng kids ko ang ramen nila. Sabi ng bunso ko, it's milky daw eh. So if you're going to bring your kids here, nako, matutuwa sila. This place here in BGC is perfect for family, friends, and close friends. At mga barkada pa yan. Surely, aside from magandang ambience, super great food din talaga. Japanese cravings niyo dito, satisfied na satisfied. So if you're craving for a Japanese food and nandito kayo sa BGC, go visit and try Miyasaki Gyo. First time namin try ang sashimi at nagustuhan namin siya. Sabi nga ni Habi, it melts in your mouth. For sure yan, uulit kami at babalik kami dito soon. And really must try itong Wagyu sushi nila. Super sarap. Ang creamy niya. Ito ang number 1 sa akin here. So tara na guys, get into your Japanese cravings. Visit and try Miyasaki Gyo. So we'll see you here. Buyers!